Wow, what a beautiful day. Clear and sunny. Horses grazing in the field. Oh, beautiful. Good morning! Welcome to another beautiful day in Romania. This time at the Danube Delta. Hope you're having a great day as well. Today, gonna have breakfast, gonna have a little look around, and then we're going on a boat trip into the Delta. So, let's get a breakfast and get this beautiful day going. Because looks gorgeous out there. Oh, I hope I get this all day, and especially when I go out on the boat. Oh, wow. And breakfast, bread, water, omelette, and coffee is on the way. What a lovely, relaxing way to start the day. Sitting in the garden, the butterflies and the birds around, and all my produce is nice and fresh. Homemade bread, milk from the dairy farm next door, fresh milk, coffee, homemade omelette with homemade ingredients, chickens producing the eggs, and it's a delicious omelette with cheese, and homemade peach jam. Oh, could eat that just by itself. Where do I start? Oh, it's really nice and peaceful out here. Romania has been a surprisingly amazing country. People are so kind, the food is so good, and the countryside is so varied. You've got everything from the big cities, which are hustling, to the historic sites and the medieval towns, and then it's nice to come to a beautiful place like this. I'm the only person here, so quiet, I'm in a small village, not much traffic, to experience the delta of the Danube. I'm really looking forward to that. Let's go. Oh, I've got to eat my breakfast. Let's go and have a look around, show you what it's like here. I have to show you around the gardens as well. The flowers here are just beautiful. And we've got some dogs and cats here saying hello, all peaceful. Sort of place where when you go, you get there and you think, could definitely spend a little while here, just chilling and relaxing. It's a nice temperature this morning too, but I think it's going to get hot. Anyway, breakfast. Okay, got everything together. Camera gear, camera, hat, long sleeves, short sleeves, water, sun spray. Let's go and investigate the Delta. Oh, and I got my sunglasses, which I must swap out and put on. So, here's a gentleman who's going to take me out on my boat and bring me back safely.
Take these.
we're going down a very narrow little passage. Let me show you. There's the camera. Here we are out in the Danube Delta on a beautiful afternoon, going through some wide canals, big bit of lake, some really narrow canals. We've seen kingfisher and heron and pelicans and seagulls, and look how peaceful and beautiful it is. Now we're just having a bit of a pause because we've got some grass stuck in the engine. Just getting that out, I hope. I have no idea how to find my way home. There's lots of little narrow avenues or canals or whatever they're called, but it is beautiful. Now the boat I'm on is available from my accommodation and is for 1 or 2 people. It's 300 lei for the boat. I think they've got a bigger boat as well, they can take bigger groups, but 1 or 2 people. And as it's just me, which is really nice, whole boat to myself, and at the moment, the whole delta to myself.